How to draw an isometric gingerbread man. First, setting your canvas. Okay, this time I will use symmetry tools. So I edit drawing guides and set to symmetry, and then create a new layer and start to draw a gingerbread. I will use this dot tool to adjust the shape. And then duplicate the layer to add dimensions. So remove the line, the overlap lines, or at the bottom layer. Yep. And then I will add eyes. And a little bit adjust the dimensions at the body. And next I will add more details like buttons and a bow. It's done. Next, I will draw a second gingerbread, another style. It's done.